Hey, this is Andy here at Lasco Ford. Normally you'd see us doing videos on upfitted Ford that we have done, but we've got such a specialty vehicle here that we wanted to go over and kind of give a brief little walk around on. What we have is a 2016 Jeep Rubicon that has been upfitted by AEV. This is a JK 350 package, which gives us the stamped steel bumpers, the Warren Xeon winch. Beautiful machine. 3.6 Pentastar, actually has 285 horse, 260 foot-pounds of torque. Rolling these 37 BFG mud terrains, we actually have dual Dana 44 axles with 456 gears. The AEV diff covers, Spydra wheels, that is part of this package as well. Of course, the AEV Snorkel and the heat reduction hood, which is really key to displacing the heat when you're out playing, whether you're out in the field, whatever the case may be. They did one of the best jobs and probably one of the most sought after companies for upfitting any vehicle through. This one particularly would have ran a little over $68,000 as far as an MSRP goes. In your rear, you actually have, this is a water tank that will hold potable water up to 5 gallons for anything that you may come across and need water for while out in a field, playing off-road, whatever the case may be. High definition backup camera, your tinsel light, and also you have your rear work light that is top mounted, so if you have anything break down, anyone that needs a little bit of repair, as we know when we get out and play, that is something that you'd really love to have. They also have the cab corner protectors, light protectors, of course, throwing all that rocks, mud, and everything. AEV also throws on their custom mud flaps all the way around. These are rock sliders that are on the side of this vehicle. So if you get out there, you get to actually slide. You don't have to worry about damaging the body by any means. This Wrangler particularly, keep in mind you have sway bar disconnects so you can get full articulation out of the suspension along with your front and rear lockers. Definitely one of the most capable vehicles out in the market and most sought after by any off-road enthusiast. Beautiful machine. Let's look underneath the hood. Both of your tie-down straps all undone. Like I was saying, the 3.6 Pentastar is one of Ward's 10 world's best engines, and actually Chrysler was one of the first American automakers to hit that list as well. Like saying the integrated spoiler, this is the Warren Xeon winch that actually has Warren's Spydra Dura cable. It's solid for up to 14,000 pounds with the Warren Fairlead as well. All right, so in conclusion, what we have is our 2016 Wrangler Rubicon with the JK 350 AEV upgrade. Was once the $68,000 machine that we actually have listed for only $42,000. You can reach me directly here at Lasco Ford, your family owned and operated dealer for the past 35 plus years. My number is 810-593-1243. I'd love to invite you out. Come with me, we'll go through the vehicle. I'll show you how everything works and all the options, because we've only briefly touched on a few of them. It is one amazing machine. Once again, Andy here at Lasco Ford, 810-593-1243. Thank you. Have a great day.